Hello guys, my name is Javidan and today I will show you how to create a website using html5. In today's tutorial we are going to use Atom, so if you haven't downloaded it yet, just search on Google. See, search it up on Google or any other search engine that you are preferred, and you can go ahead and download. Okay, after you install it, you open it up. Okay, after you open it up, you select file, new file, create a new file. There. Now let's begin. But first you have to save it. Save as. Make sure you name it index.html. So yeah, always name your home page index.html. .html part was just the extension, but make sure you name it index.html, your home page. Okay, there we go. So this will be the title of your website. Let's just name it hello. Oh. Okay, so if you run it, like you can use any web browser, just don't use Internet Explorer. See, okay, we are also going to add some text. P. So this is the description tag. The P tags is for the description. This is the description. Go ahead, Control S for save it, and now you just have to refresh. Voila. Okay, just to zoom it for you so you can see it. Like there is no way you can't see it. And we are going to add a header, h1. This is a header tag. So this is for the header tag. Control S to save it, and now just open it again, and voila, there is a different variant, h1 to h6. H1, refresh. Yeah, so the h1 itself was for big, and now this is the small, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you'll get the idea. Okay, so this is br tag. The br tag is for the break tag, so let me demonstrate it for you. I kinda suck at English. See this? So I wanna add a space on it, so I use the br tag. Or you can, it was the self-closing tag. See, br, save it, and voila. You can also add it to description. Add a PR tag into it. Save it, and now restart. See, it's as easy as that. And what about the icon? Oh yes, the icon. It was it is called favicon. So if you see this, doesn't have icon, so I will show you how to add it. So go to the header, type favicon. So you have to create an icon though, but don't worry, I will. Okay, so create a folder. Let's just put your project in a folder first. Copy paste this. So this will be your icons folder. Hold on, let me grab some icons here. Let's rename the icon to favicon. Okay, so yeah, there we go. We press save it. Favicon. So this is your icon. And once we open it, voila, there is an icon. See, that is how you add your very own favicon. Okay, so this is like the basic. This is how you create your very first website using html5. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.